So in this episode, let's talk about the decree of registration. In this decision, it mentioned every decree of registration shall bind the land and quiet title thereto, subject only to the exceptions stated in the following section. It shall be conclusive upon and against all persons, including the insular government Misaona, and all the branches thereof, whether mentioned by name in the application, notice, or citation, or included in the general description, to all whom it may concern. Kaninga part na important. No? Such decree shall not be opened by reason of the absence, infancy, or other disability of any person affected thereby. So this is the issue here. Why was the decree of the court reopened? So, basa sa ta. Ha? Subject, however, to the right of any person deprived of land or of any estate or interest therein by decree of registration obtained by fraud, to file in the Court of Land Registration a petition for review within 1 year. So the basis here is Section 38 of Act number 496, muna legal basis. So the appellee, in this case, Anacleto, is not included in any of the exceptions named in Section 38 referred to above. So medyo kabalo na ta. Murag pa doon mo panig kang alba ang desisyon sa korte. It will be seen that the applicant is required to mention not only the outstanding interest which she admits, but also all claims of interest, though denied by him. By express provision of law, all the world are made parties defendant by the description in the notice to all whom it may concern. So, although the appellee occupying 2 small parcels of land in question, under the circumstances as we have set forth, was not served with notice, he was made a party defendant by publication. So, na? No? It appears that this decision will be in favor of the albas. And the entering of a decree later must be held to be conclusive against all persons. So basically, even against Anacleto, including the appellee, whether his name is mentioned in the application, notice, or citation. Because the application, notice, or citation, the notice, going to all whom it may concern. So that includes Anacleto. No? So luoy ba? No? But of course, albas, makasulti po ka, they did not do it in bad faith. But let's see later, no? We're still in the middle part of the decision. Although the appellee, occupying 2 small parcels of land, as we have set forth, was not served in notice, kining important part there was that there was a publication. So it became, it was as if Anacleto read the publication. It was as if Anacleto was notified. So the said decree should not have been opened on account of the absence, infancy, or other disability of any person affected thereby. So according to the Supreme Court, the lower court was wrong to have reopened the decree in favor of petitioners co-owners Alba. The reopening of the decree by motion of Anacleto was wrong. Why? Because it could not have been opened. It should not have been opened on account of absence, infancy, or other disability of any person affected thereby, and could have been opened only on the ground that the said decree had been obtained by fraud. That is why the motion of Anacleto, apart from saying that he owned the land, it was grounded on, allegedly, the fraud committed by the 4 petitioners, albas, the 4 albas, the 4 co-owners. According to him, there was fraud because although he was occupying the land, why was he not notified? Why did the albas fail to state his name in their application for land titling? It was, according to him, I'm just trying to connect the dots. According to him, it was intentional and in bad faith. It was fraudulent not to include his name because the purpose of the Albas, based on the story here, was that dili nila gusto ma-notify si Anacleto para mahuman na ang land registration proceeding, di mahibaw si Anacleto. Muna naitabo diri, late na nakaupo si Anacleto. So according to him, it was in bad faith. It was fraudulent. So muna yung point ni Anacleto. So what is the point of the Supreme Court with respect to the fraud claimed by Anacleto to have been committed by the 4 Albas, the 4 co-owners? So that will be the topic of the next episode.